The following data are provided for the trial mix proportioning of normal weight concrete designed to achieve an average compressive strength of 28 megapascals at 28 days. Ina-analyze natin dito per cubic meters of concrete. So, the weight of water, we have here the mass. So, your weight of water is just mass times the gravity. 220 kilogram times 9.81. 2158 newtons or 2.158 kilonewtons. Then determine the required weight of the dry sand. So we will use here the water cement ratio is just the weight of water over weight of cement. So given 0.45, we have now the weight of water 2.158. That means the weight of cement to be equal to 2.158 divided by 0.45. 4.796. And the weight of the coarse aggregate is gamma times the volume of the coarse aggregate. So we have here the unit weight of the coarse aggregate, 16.5 times 0.65. This is 10.725 per batch of concrete. So the sum of the weight of concrete plus the weight of the coarse aggregate plus the weight of the fine aggregates for the sand plus the weight of water must be equal to the weight of concrete per batch per cubic meters, 23.6. So, makukuha natin yan. That is simply equal to 23.6 minus the cement, minus the coarse aggregate, minus the water. So, you have 5.921 kilonewtons. And the excess water here, the sand has 5% excess moisture. So 5% of the sand, of the fine aggregates, plus 2% of the moisture of the coarse aggregate. Okay? So naka-kilonewtons pa ito. 511 newtons. So natin here in kilograms, divided by gravity. You have 52.09 kilogram.